Hey guys, today I will show you how to earn money by playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, and even while shopping online. This will be a great site for you guys as there are many options which you can use to earn money. By watching videos and filling out surveys, you will receive points which you can convert to money and withdraw whenever you want. It's a great passive income idea. So, hey guys, as you can guess, I am not Stacy. My name is Steve. You are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Anyways, I will be doing the voiceover for this video today because your beloved Stacy is not well. And that's the reason why she wasn't able to post yesterday. But no worries, the tips and trick to earn money doesn't stop. I will help her while she gets the rest she needs. And it would be great if you guys can show some support for her. She works hard for these videos, so make sure to tell her to get well soon in the comment section. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. For my people wanting to make some extra cash on the side, all you need to do is follow my steps. Firstly, go to this website called paidwork.com. It is a great website that pays you for doing casual stuff as I told you before. You can earn money while playing games, watching videos, and many more. And just so you know, you don't even need a laptop or PC for this. They have an app on the App Store and Play Store. Just open the app and register. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard, where you will be able to see your earnings history and wallet balance. It will be zero because you just made an account. So, to start earning, just click the Earn button here on the left-hand side, which will take you to this page right here. Here you can see 4 options by which you can earn money. You can see by clicking this little info button right here to see what you will have to do to earn money from a particular task. Some tasks are only available on a smartphone, so it's a smart move to download this app on your phone, as it will open more opportunities to earn money. So, choose the earning method of your choice, complete the tasks exactly as it says, and you will receive the money or points right away, which you will be able to see in your dashboard. Let's open the Surveys tab to see what it's like. As you can see, to earn money through surveys, you will have to give a little information about yourself. This will help them to give a survey which best suits you. So, start filling out these surveys and earn some extra cash. Once you have collected enough money, you will be able to withdraw your money by going to the billing section. This button will be activated once you have reached the payment threshold. And then you can add your payment method depending on where you want your money to be withdrawn. This site also has a great referral program. But before that, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to Stacy. You just have to copy this link and share it with your friends or family members. Whenever you refer someone and they make an account, complete some tasks, earn some money, and withdraw it, you both will receive an extra bonus. So it is also a great way to increase your earnings. You can also increase this by referring many others, and you will receive the bonus from every referral you make. And I have a trick to get more people on board. You can copy this link and go to your Facebook and search for money-making groups. There are many people looking for money-making methods to make some extra cash on the side. Just visit these groups and make a post telling about this site and a referral program in which you both will get the extra bonus. There will be many people willing to join you, and it's a profit for both. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and make an account right now to earn some money on the side. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. This is Steve, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.